Tired of fumbling with passwords every time you want to jump into your favorite Steam games? Well, say goodbye to password woes because today, we're unlocking the super speedy, password-free way to log into Steam using just your phone. First things first, make sure you have the Steam mobile app installed on your smartphone. You can find it in the App Store for iPhones or the Google Play Store for Android devices. Once installed, open the Steam mobile app and tap on the menu icon, usually found in the top left corner represented by 3 horizontal lines. In the menu, find and select Steam Guard. This is your key to passwordless paradise. Now tap on Scan a QR code. This will activate your phone's camera, ready to scan. Head back to your computer, and you'll see a QR code displayed on the Steam login screen. Simply point your phone's camera at it. The Steam app will then ask you to confirm the login attempt. Simply tap approve if the details are correct. And just like that, you're instantly logged into your Steam account, ready to game on. No passwords, no hassle. So there you have it, a quick and easy way to scan a QR code and jump straight into Steam. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Steam tips and tricks.